Hello and welcome to the video lecture on precedence rule for time shifting and time scaling. Time shifting and time scaling are the important operations that are performed on the independent variable either t or n. So if these two operations are there in the same example, then which operation is to be performed first is basically stated by the precedence rule. So now let us consider that suppose we want to sketch a signal y of t is equal to x of at minus b. Suppose we have y of t is equal to x of at minus b. Now in this problem, if you can see, both the operations are involved, the time shifting operation and the time scaling operation. So these operations must be performed in a correct order. And according to the rule, it is stated that in this case, the first operation performed must be a time shifting operation which will result in an intermediate signal v of t. So v of t is equal to x of t minus b. Now when we apply the scaling operation, then that t is replaced by at, and therefore after shifting, now we are going to apply the time scaling operation which will result in a signal x of at minus b. So according to the precedence rule, the time shifting operation must be performed first and then the time scaling operation is performed. So this is what is the correct order in which we can apply these operations on a particular signal. Now let us understand one example. Here we are interested in plotting a signal x of 2t plus 3. Suppose here we are going to plot x of 2t plus 3. So again, if you can see, both the operations are involved here. First is a shifting operation and second is scaling. So by the use of precedence rule here, first we are going to shift our signal. So here shifting means it is x of t plus 3. So x of t plus 3 represents the advancing operation in which we shift the signal towards left. Now in this case we have to perform t plus 3. So we are going to shift the signal towards left by 3. So the original signal lie between minus 1 to 1. So when we shift this signal towards left by 3 units, then the signal will be between minus 4 to minus 2 with amplitude is equal to 1. Then you have to apply the time scaling on this. So this signal will become x of 2t plus 3. So when you apply this time scaling, then this value of a is equal to 2, which is greater than 1, and it represents the compression. So actually we are going to divide this minus 4 and minus 2 by 2. So now my compressed signal is within minus 2 to minus 1. So this is what is the correct way of applying the precedence rule. But if you go for an incorrect way of applying the precedence rule, then in that case actually we are going to first scale the signal. So when we first scale the signal, then it will result into x of 2t. So x of 2t means here you are going to scale the signal, that means you are going to divide it by 2. So my signal lies between minus half to plus half, and then after that I am going to shift it by 3 units towards left because it represents advancing operation. So minus half to plus half, when it is shifted towards left, it will be now between 3.5 to 2.5. But this is because of the incorrect way of applying the precedence rule, because whatever signal resulted by these two operations will be now not x of 2t plus 3, but it is x of 2 into t plus 3. But we are not interested in this signal, and these two signals are not same. We are interested in this signal. So when we apply the precedence rule in an incorrect way, then actually you are getting some different signal, and therefore according to the rule, first you have to go for time shifting and then you have to go for time scaling operations. So this is what all about the precedence rule. So if you like my video, then please share the video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.